Hola y buenos días. Soy Ruth. Quiero presentar una canción, a song. Canción is an easy word. It's related to chanting. So, una canción, repetitive canción that you can use con los niños para estudiar español. Of course, los niños shouldn't know that they're studying español. They should just know that we're learning una canción. Now, in the story, Pedro Rabbit, Pedro is trapped in the shed and he is being chased by Senor McGregor, and he sees a way out of the window, la ventana, and he knocks over uno, dos, tres, cuatro bonitas plantas. So that's 4 beautiful plants, just like these ones. Look, can you see those? So he knocks over cuatro bonitas plantas. So we're just going to sing cuatro bonitas plantas sitting on a wall. Cuatro bonitas plantas sitting on a wall. And if one bonita planta should accidentally fall, no te preocupes, I'm not going to let you fall. We'd have tres bonitas plantas sitting on a wall. Okay. Tres bonitas plantas sitting on a wall. Tres bonitas plantas sitting on a wall. And if one bonita planta should accidentally fall, we'd have dos bonitas plantas sitting on a wall. Now, you can count back from 10 if you really want to. I think cuatro might be enough. It's up to you. But if you haven't already done so, do have a look at El Cuento, the tale, de Pedro Rabbit. You can find it on SpanglishFantastico.com, and there's a page on the menu for Pedro Rabbit. You can read La Historia, you can buy El Cuento, El Libro, buy the tale, the book, on Amason.com already, and do have a look at SpanglishFantastico.com for muchas actividades related to El Libro. So you can really enjoy learning un poco de español con tus niños, con tus hijos, your own children. Okay, muchas gracias. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.